Bamboo is culture in Vietnam. It's really good material. Very strong, very flexible. The bamboo can do anything you want. I want everything by bamboo. My name is Tan. I'm the owner of the Taboo Bamboo workshop here in Cam Thanh village. In Vietnam, we have lots of bamboo everywhere. We have traditional handicraft. I learned from my father, and my father, he learned from his father. How to flake, how to saw, how to treatment the bamboo. I study university in Da Nang. I'm an electronic engineer. At the time, I'm really boring with my job in the big city. I want to continue with the traditional job because I'm really happy when I work with the bamboo. But almost the people, they think the bamboo is not good. It's the cheap thing. People now, they don't want the very simple thing with the traditional thing with the bamboo. I try with the bicycle. I try for 1 year how to build the bamboo bike. And at that time, I built the workshop. I don't like the big workshop. I like small. Every day I connect with the nature, river with the mangrove, and I get my idea. Every day we have a new idea, new thing. Young people at the village come and then they think, oh, the bamboo can do a lot of things. We get the value. It's very good for environment. Because the bamboo is grow fast, it's renewable. You just grow one time and you can cut forever. In Vietnam, we should use the bamboo. A lot of small workshop like my workshop, working with the bamboo, and environment will be better.